Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best monopod head is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for photographers and videographers who want to improve the stability and flexibility of their shooting setup, enabling them to capture stunning shots in various challenging conditions, from fast-paced sports events to serene wildlife scenes, ensuring that your shots are always sharp and steady, no matter the environment or subject. Number 5. Altura Photo 62-inch Monopod. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for any adventure. Its compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. It collapses down to just 16.75 inches and weighs only 0.59 pounds. Easily fits in your bag for travel. It features a 1/4-inch universal thread, compatible with most cameras. A 3/8-inch screw adapter is included for added versatility. Enjoy a soft foam grip and a safety wrist strap for comfortable and secure use. It's ideal for capturing sharp images and smooth video. The built-in non-skid rubber foot and retractable leg spike provide stability indoors and outdoors. It's your reliable companion for steady shots. What we like. It's lightweight and incredibly portable, easily fitting into your backpack. If you're always on the go and need a monopod that won't weigh you down, this is perfect for you. Its compact design makes it ideal for travel and everyday use, ensuring you can capture stunning shots wherever you are. What people say. Compact, easy to use, very sturdy. It handled a 6 pounds telephoto plus camera setup. Versatile and easy to collapse and extend, providing a decent stable platform when transitioning from moving to trying to grab that quick action shot. Number 4. Manfrotto XPRO Monopod Plus. It's the ultimate support for your camera. This versatile monopod offers stability and smooth movements for all your video needs. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong, thanks to its durable aluminum construction. Its 4 sections allow for quick adjustments to any height. It extends from a compact 30.71 inches to an impressive 79.92 inches. This makes it perfect for various shooting scenarios. It features a fluid video head for incredibly smooth panning and tilting. Capture professional-looking video with ease. Its sturdy base ensures stability, even on uneven surfaces. You can trust it to keep your camera secure. It comes with a 10-year limited warranty, providing you with peace of mind. Register online to extend your coverage even further. It's the perfect blend of portability and stability. Take it anywhere and capture stunning footage with confidence. What we like. This monopod boasts a fluid video head, ensuring incredibly smooth and stable video recording. If you're a videographer or filmmaker looking for professional quality results, this is the choice for you. The fluid head minimizes unwanted movements, allowing you to create professional-looking videos with ease. What people say. It is fantastic. It's super lightweight and easy to get around with on set. I even replaced my regular tripod with this because of how portable and efficient this monopod is. The handle is solid rubber with flat sides that makes it easy to grip. Panning is silky smooth, and I love the ability to flip down the legs to steady it while I'm filming. Easy to deploy, the feet help stabilize the camera for the shots I need for real estate photography and general use. Number 3. Wimberley MH100 MonoGimbal Head. It's the ultimate solution for handling large lenses with ease. Its gimbal design lets you effortlessly rotate and tilt even the heaviest equipment. This innovative design centers the lens's weight, making it incredibly easy to maneuver. Say goodbye to camera shake and hello to smooth, precise movements. It's built tough, yet it weighs only 349 grams. It's the perfect balance of strength and portability. It seamlessly integrates with your existing Arcaswiss-compatible equipment. This ensures a secure and versatile setup. Made in the USA with high-grade materials, including anodized 6061 aluminum and stainless steel fasteners. It's built to last. The integrated Arcaswiss dovetails and optional safety stop screws provide extra security for your valuable lenses. It's designed for peace of mind. It significantly improves carrying comfort for medium and telephoto lenses. Experience a new level of ease and stability while shooting. What we like. Its unique gimbal design makes it perfect for handling large and heavy lenses with ease and stability. If you frequently work with telephoto lenses, this monopod will significantly improve your shooting experience. Its robust build ensures it can withstand the rigors of professional use, providing you with a reliable tool for years to come. What people say. It allows you to balance the lens in horizontal position, but it is free rotating so that you can easily aim the lens up or down without having to tilt the monopod. The other day I was photographing a bald eagle high overhead in a tree, and with my tall monopod fully extended and using the MonoGimbal, I was able to almost point the camera straight up, which you can't do without a head like this. But the beauty is, unlike other monopod heads, when you let go of the camera holding on to the monopod it does not flop forward or backward. The side-mounted design offers an easy comfortable way to carry a heavy rig for much longer distances than a tripod and gimbal combination. Number 2. Leofoto Killer Kit MP285C. It's lightweight and versatile, perfect for travel photography. This kit combines a high-quality monopod with a robust ball head, offering exceptional stability and ease of use. Weighing in at just 590 g, it won't weigh you down. You'll barely notice it's there, making it ideal for long days of shooting. It's constructed from 10-ply Torre carbon fiber for incredible strength and stability, supporting up to 18 kilograms. Enjoy reliable support for your camera gear. The twist locks make adjustments quick and easy. Get the perfect shot without any hassle. It features both 1.4 and 3/8 mounts, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of cameras and accessories. It's ready for anything you throw at it. It folds down to a compact 17 inches, making it easy to pack and take with you anywhere. Capture stunning shots on the go. It comes with a 10-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. It's built to last, so you can focus on your photography. This kit includes everything you need: a high-quality monopod, a ball head, a carrying case, and more. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like. Made from high-quality carbon fiber, it's incredibly lightweight yet remarkably strong. If you value both portability and durability, this is the perfect option. Its robust construction ensures it can handle even the heaviest cameras and lenses without compromising stability. What people say. The leg extends perfectly and the twist lock is easy to tighten and loosen. The leg comes apart for really easy cleaning, if you get sand or dirt in the extension. There are no goofy plasticity pieces to fall out if the leg connections like other value brands. Light and sturdy. Easily adjustable. A monopod with a pivoting ball head is much more useful than a traditional monopod, especially for video. This carbon fiber model is cleverly designed and offers a high-quality build. Number 1. Manfrotto 234 RC Monopod Head. This versatile monopod head offers smooth and precise movements for all your shooting needs. It's easy to use and compatible with a wide range of equipment. It features a user-friendly tilt mechanism, allowing for quick and easy adjustments. Capture your shots from various angles with ease. With its 90-degree tilt range, it provides exceptional flexibility. Shoot in both vertical and horizontal formats without any limitations. It allows for both vertical and horizontal shooting, giving you the versatility to capture any scene. Get creative with your shots. It has a standard thread attachment, ensuring compatibility with various cameras and accessories. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. The included quick-release plate makes attaching and detaching your camera a breeze. Spend less time setting up and more time shooting. It comes with a 10-year limited warranty from Manfrotto, giving you peace of mind. Enjoy long-lasting performance and reliability. What we like. Its versatile swivel tilt head offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to easily switch between vertical and horizontal shooting. If you need a monopod that adapts to various shooting styles and situations, this is the one for you. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to adjust on the fly, ensuring you never miss a perfect shot. What people say. The Manfrotto 234 RC swivel tilt monopod head is simple to attach and use. The head is perfect for larger lenses, making it easy to adjust. The build quality of the monopod head is solid, weighty. Moving the monopod instead of the head to compose pictures quickly becomes natural. Panning to catch the action is never a problem, just rotate the whole monopod. I find it quick and easy to swing the head 90 degrees to either side for portrait-oriented pictures. The quick release plate locks in securely and I've never been worried about it coming loose and dropping my gear on the ground. Once it's latched it won't move without flipping the release lever. I run a pivot point where it's just loose enough to allow easy vertical panning but not so loose everything just flops around. That allows me to recompose my shot if necessary without grabbing for knobs and cussing when I had it screwed down too tight and missed the moment I wanted to capture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.